Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is deyyenvyyreeree if you're new, and if you're not new, welcome back. Today is Friday, August the 18th, and today I'm basically just gonna be vlogging my day. We're supposed to have a pep rally at school today. We got a game today at Southwind, I think, and it's Southwind versus Ridgeway football game. So this is my outfit for today. I got this shirt from Shein, and I got this skirt from Shein, and I will be putting on my Super Earthed Adidas with this. And I got me a orange purse right there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready. But I'm really already ready. I just got done doing my hair. I just need to put on my lotion and my deodorant and just put on my outfit, and then I'm gonna put me some water in my cup, and then we're gonna be headed out the door. Before I get into this video, I want to give a huge shout out to the company HairSpells for sending me this beautiful, lovely wig. The wig that I'm getting installed in this video is a Brazilian deep curly 4x4 closure wig, 130% density, and the inch is 22. You guys, this is a great wig. I love the texture. I will provide the link for this hair in my bio. Also, my code you can use for a discount. And y'all can finish watching this video on this beautiful install.
I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? Fuck they gon' say now. I'm watching these bitches, I'm up in a stay now. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, don't let me go find me a pen. Wearing lead, now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie click. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I get the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him break. It ain't no Rick, yeah, Barbie bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag.
I never call you. Sometimes I need someone to talk to. Call your friends, ask how they doing.
You know what's up, babe? Oh.
So we just got to school.
Yeah, posted up on the block and stuff.
Hey y'all, it is currently 7:08. Say hey, Zari. You gonna be on YouTube? Say hey, Ari.
I already be watching. We're really gonna be, huh?
You said
I already watching. Period, y'all. Y'all heard that? Don't play with it.
period. Make sure y'all subscribe. Face looking good, face card.
Okay, we're gonna go around the whole cafeteria and we're gonna get everybody's name. What we finna go? We finna go to first period. We got a pep rally today, y'all. So don't be playing, y'all.
And I'm going to the game today, and I'm not going to work.
You meet me by study hall bathroom so we can speak by each other.
Okay, I got you.
Boom. Okay, come on. So y'all, I'm in the gym. I was gonna vlog in my classes, but it was quiet. They was working and stuff.
Okay, what's going on, vlog? What's going on?
Yeah, y'all. So we really chilling. Look.
You wanna play again? Hey.
Yeah, it's fun. Yeah. So we in the hallway. Where you at? Right here. We walk to class. Like they all over the place. They so proud of y'all. And let me tell y'all how this person did. We're going the wrong way. And they talking. But baby, you going the wrong way. What's really going on? But I'm finna take her to Mr. Woody class. Yeah, so yeah, we finna see Woody, y'all. So and then just keep recording. And then so we was talking about how them folks was looking good with they freaking tucks. Baby, they little tucks. They shirts. I'm finna see if I can find one for y'all. Hold on. Let's see. He got one right here. We can't just be recording folks. They'll be okay. They know they look good. But oh, he got a tux. How you zoom? I'm trying to zoom in. You gotta like do like this. But yeah, y'all, they looking so good. And but yeah. Fine. I ain't never did that before. She just took a sip of Patron. She had them Casamigos this morning. She on one. What's going on? It just be so good. I'm finna stop pranking. But I'm finna get me a chin, y'all. I was like, how old you is? Right. How old you is? But she acting like she drunk. They looking good to the teeth. Screaming out to my phone. Oh, them folks look good with the little bun down. How you feel about your daughter acting like?
I'm gonna get new daughters because y'all acting real
say hey to the vlog,
fantastic out here.
Oh no, we don't do that.
We don't.
No, we don't.
Currently,
We don't participate in
my
those.
YouTube tells me Ariana's first day packing lunch, curling her.
Oh, you saw that? Class. Button down. Lonnie, y'all looking really good today. I was just like, wow, y'all didn't look that good last year. They used to come with the little hoodies with the little jerseys on top. Well, I'm finna go to my class because I do got a test. Oh, and I do need to go sign into my
Sit down. What you want?
But yeah, so y'all really should just subscribe to her channel because like, why is y'all not subscribe to her channel? Don't chill. We finna go to lunch. Where you at? Period, y'all. Heck, y'all. Hey, but they don't know that. Yeah, me too. I got a little one too. One too. We at lunch. What's some things when they be talking? They be asking questions? They like, what you, I don't even know what thing it is. Oh, God. We gonna do a mukbang. Yeah, when are we doing this? We doing that tonight. Oh, okay. Oh, you. I ain't no thing. Yes, y'all. Where's coming in? I don't know. No, I ain't had it. I always get the all-star special. So awesome. I get the all-star special. What y'all be getting from Waffle House, y'all? I be getting the all-star special, scrambled eggs, bacon, and blueberry waffle. If you don't get the blueberry waffle, what are you doing? I hope you put this in there. You gotta get the money. You can leave in lunch.
Hell no, turn the vlog over.
No, because you getting mad at her. And it's getting so quiet.
Stop saying the name like this, though.
What's the point? What's your point?
It had Jesse.
What's your point, though? What's your point? He ready to fight over some hot dog factory. And we were just laughing 2 minutes ago. Man, what you got to say? You laughed too hard.
She laughed for 15 minutes. And she wanted to get
oh, he's trying to be too man. He's trying to vlog. Still arguing, y'all. Let me show you your outfit. Y'all, good check.
So fresh, make your bitch. Stop playing with that.
This our principal.
So y'all never got no wings.
Say hey to the vlog.
My young nigga be eating
Chicken coop. Ain't nobody eating honey
cooks my food chicken. I like all food though.
Okay, I feel you. Okay, it's over.
You come not over it.
So you still trying to go in?
No, I'm
Get out your feelings, bro. Let's have a dance battle. Have a dance battle. Go. Oh, whoa, whoa, So y'all, we just got to the pep rally. They deep, y'all. They still coming in. I got the cheerleaders over there.
y'all, we just got to the game.
Y'all better take that person to y'all.
Y'all, they deep is a world. Tell them how deep we is. That is really deep, y'all. Like real deep. So y'all, we at the game and we late. We got Kayla, we got Destiny, we got Chiquita, we got everybody. So yeah, don't play.
That's the person.
My bad. Hey, I ain't finna do that. I ain't finna do that today, y'all. Y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I got this package that I'm finna open with you guys. I think I know what this is, and I hope it's what I think it is, but we're just gonna open it to see. I got this razor I'm using. Every time I go to the beauty supply store, I make sure I get me a box of razors. I think I opened it upside down. So y'all, this is what came in the mail today. This is what I was expecting. So shout out to Teddy Blake for sending me this beautiful bag. I want y'all to know that I appreciate y'all for even giving me this opportunity. So enough of that talking. Let's see what the bag is giving. But you gotta get into the packaging though. Y'all see that? Teddy Blake, New York, designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. Yeah, I'm excited. Look at this bag. Hold on, wait, y'all. It's the packaging for me. Y'all must love me. Y'all don't even know me. Y'all must love me. So, y'all, this is the bag. Oh! Y'all, look at this. It's giving Birkin, baby. Don't play. The tag. Shout out to Teddy Blake, y'all. You got the bag. Let's see what's in it. Hold on. Oh! And y'all see you open it like that. Hold on, wait, y'all. Oh, okay. So you take off the things first and then you open it. And then it comes with a little handbag, another handbag choice, because you can also hold it like that, and then you can put these little things on there. I guess it's inside, brown inside, and then they got the name stamped in the inside. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah. Just want to thank Teddy Blake once again. I will provide this link in my bio and I will put it somewhere on the screen, but yeah, let's get into this. Thank you, Teddy Blake.